Pre-K, it's Miss Amy, and I'm just going to talk to you a little bit today about math dice and how we can play around with numbers a little bit with some really fun big dice that I have. Let me show you. Here's one die, it's big and orange, and here's another die, it's also big and orange, and with two of them together, they are a pair of dice. And we're going to use these dice to play a little game. What we're going to do is we're going to roll one die. I'm going to roll it in this tray. And we're going to look at the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots on that side. So we're going to find a 5 and stick it up here on our board. All right. Now I'm going to take my other die and I'm going to roll it and see what I get. I got this number. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo, that's a big number. So I'm going to find a number 6 and put it up here. And we're going to see what number they make all together. How many dots all together? To add together, I'm going to put a little cross mark inside called addition sign. And I want to know what they are all together. So I'm going to put an equal sign there that says this is what they are all together. And we're going to count our dots. Are we ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what we're starting with. Plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now we know that our 5 plus our 6 all together equals 11. That's a lot of dots. All right. Let's try another one. We're going to roll. Oh, we got this number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to look here. I have some stickers. 4. And I'm going to roll my other die. Oh, I got this number. 1, 2, 3. And we'll put up a number 3. And let's see what we have all together. We're going to put our plus sign here. One line down, one line across. 4 plus 3 equals, I wonder what. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we could make a number 4 on here. Plus 1, 2, 3. I'm going to make a number 3 so we can see what that number looks like. All together equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 plus 3 equaled 7 all together. All right. I think we can do just one more. And then maybe if you have dice at your house, you could do a similar game. So I'm going to roll my big die. And, oh, I got 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to find the 3 and put it up here. We already know how to make a 3 because we had 3 before. We're going to go around a tree and around a tree, and that's the way we make a 3. And then we're going to roll the other one. Oof, and we got 5. We're going to add them together. 3 plus 5. For a 5, we go straight down, we give it a big tummy and a little hat. And how many dots do we have all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 dots plus 5 dots is 8 dots. Did you know you could do addition with dice? Thanks for listening.